Today I'm going to tell you what the Cayenne Black Edition is. The Black Edition package includes a ton of options. On the exterior, a black gloss trim package and the SportDesign front bumper is included for the Cayenne and Cayenne E Hybrid. For the Cayenne SE Hybrid, the full SportDesign body kit is included. 21-inch race Spyder wheels, tinted HD headlights, adaptive air suspension, adjustable damper stiffness, sport exhaust pipes in dark bronze, rear view mirrors painted in black gloss, Porsche logo projection on the doors, the Porsche logo and model name painted in black gloss, an exclusive design fuel filler cap, a panoramic roof for the SUV body. In the coupe it comes standard, along with Euro standard tinting. Now let's look at the interior. The salon includes an extended black leather package, comfortable 14-way adjustable seating with a memory package for the driver and passenger, a black aluminum salon trim package, Porsche Crests on the front headrests, and a heated GT sport steering wheel. Also included is the BOSE audio system, 710 watts, 14 speakers, and a subwoofer. The driver assistance systems include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, a 360-degree camera, keyless entry, and more. An exclusive options package, the Black Edition, is available for €7,000. It includes Black Edition lettering on the front doors, illuminated door sill trims, and keys finished in black with the Black Edition logo. Also available through the Sonderwunsch program are the following options: a personalized car key for €990, personalized floor mats with leather trim for €1,420, as well as a personalized two-sided option. A carpet in the trunk for €690. The Black Edition is available for both the Cayenne Coupe and the SUV models, including the Cayenne, Cayenne E Hybrid, and Cayenne SE Hybrid. Now let's break down the numbers in detail. The Cayenne SUV starts at €99,500. The Cayenne Black Edition SUV starts at €113,000. So for that €1,500 difference, you get options worth €31,790. Your savings come out to €30,290. You can see the breakdown for all models on screen. That's the Cayenne, Cayenne Coupe, Cayenne SUV E Hybrid, Cayenne Coupe E Hybrid, Cayenne SE Hybrid, and Cayenne Coupe SE Hybrid. The cars are already available to order. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in whatever way works best for you.